Unboxing Jazza's Mega Art Box.
Arts Workfly.
So this is the sculpture one. Alright, so this is the sculpture one. And there's the manual, not manual, guide booklet. So this is the guide booklet. So this is the guide booklet. As I said, you guys will see it through the channel. So this is to hold the tools inside here. It smells kind of, I don't know, it's not a bad smell, but it's a weird smell. You know that they have this kind of tools for clay work. That's new. Oh my god, I got all of them. You know, in college I had some of these tools, but they stole it. I should have written my name on them because I usually do clay works at college, and they stole my tool. It was so expensive, and to know that they stole all my tools. This is okay. These are quality art products. Let me tell you, quality art products. Oh my god. Look at this ceramic tool. For those who do ceramic, you know the excitement in it. Oh my god. My bad. For those who know ceramic, you will know the excitement in getting those ceramic tools. The possibilities are endless. The creation is endless when you have your tools ready. This feels heavy. This feels really heavy. What is in this again? It's suede. Suede. Oh my god, look at the tools. Oh my god. Look, they Jazza pack everything in this. Like seriously. Look at these. Some of these tools I did not get in my ceramic tool that I bought in college. Now look at this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, girl. Alright, so these are the clay. Clay, 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 clay. Clay, 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 clay. Clay, 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 clay. Yes, so I wanted these and also the tools and also these. I was going to order these online, but since Jazza was going to pack it in his products, I said why not go ahead and get it. So I really wanted these. These are oven baked clay. That means you can create anything and you just put it in the oven and you set it for life. Oven baked clay. I was going to order it online, but now I have it in my hand. Alright, so I'm going to make like little things with these. I'm going to use it very wisely. Very wisely. Because I don't want it to go to waste or anything like that. Every last drop is getting used wisely. Wisely. Because nothing will go to waste. Not a thing will go to waste. Let me see if this thing is still recording. Is it still recording? Yes, it is. So now for the last one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.